Good evening. My name is Matt. Tonight we're going to start an 8 horsepower Armstrong. This is serial number 2044. This engine was brought out of Iowa approximately 30 years ago. It belongs to a friend of mine by the name of Ted and currently resides in Washington State. This engine was in pretty bad shape when we brought it home. It was stuck. The main bearings were beat out of it, so all the babbitt was replaced. The piston rings were replaced, the lands were turned, the valves were remade. So I'll open the compression release and we'll start it for you today. So this engine ran August 3rd through 6th, 2011 at the Lynden, Washington Tractor Show, part of the Branch 26 of the Egida display for 4 days, just like you see it there. So about 20 hours, 5-6 hours a day, 4 days in a row. Very dependable engine. I'm told that this engine would have come off of a water drill rig. It's conceivable that due to the wear that we saw on it upon disassembly, that it had a very tough life, and that indeed that it was built for service, and that it ran very dependably for many years. Excuse the shaking camera. We'll move you around to the front of the engine and give you a little bit better view here. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you soon.